everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about another type of cooking utensil. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, now's a great time. Just go ahead and click that red button down below that says subscribe, and then click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So what am I talking about when I'm talking about a different type of cooking utensil? Well, I'm not actually talking about utensils per se, I'm more talking about the cookware. What I'm talking about is cast iron, and you should already have known that from the title of the video. Everyone, when they think of cast iron, they think of two things: Dutch ovens and skillets. Yes, Dutch ovens are cast iron and they're great, and skillets are great too, but there's a lot of other cast iron cooking implements that are out there. If you just look at the thumbnail for this video, you'll see a whole bunch of different types of things. They got, cornbread molds. They got cake pans. They've got roasting pans. They've got a lot of stuff that's cast iron that you can use to cook with out in a campfire. So if the power is out and you have an electric range, and you can build a fire outside, you can still cook a lot of stuff out there. Dutch ovens come in everything from a little small one for doing a little soup up to the big, 5-gallon jobbers, which are insanely expensive to get, but they do make them. There is a whole bunch of different types of skillets, from the little 6-inch skillets up to the one I've had and I've used on a couple of my videos, the 20-inch, 3-inch deep Cajun classic cast iron. So there are a lot of ways to cook with cast iron. All the cast iron I have, I can cook on a campfire with. Now, we do have some that are enamel lined and enamel covered on the outside. You can still use that in a campfire. All right. So remember, cast iron's been around a long time and it's good and healthy for you. Healthy for you? What do you mean? Well, when my wife was pregnant with our first child, she had low iron count in her blood, and the doctor told her, get some cast iron cookware and cook in cast iron. The food naturally draws iron out of it, and your body can assimilate that type of iron. And so he said it can assimilate that type of iron easier than a lot of vitamins. All righty. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, both in food and in other items like cast iron. And this is why.